Good afternoon, everyone. Woo, to almost be the last one, but I'm glad to be here this afternoon. GreenStitch, want to tell you a little bit about GreenStitch today. And GreenStitch is closing the loop of fabric waste. And GreenStitch is a sustainability project of Complete Image Manufacturing. And Complete Image Manufacturing is a business that I co-own in Detroit. In Eastern Market. And what we have done is come up with GreenStitch to be a sustainability division of Complete Image Manufacturing, where we're going to focus on circular design, and all of our waste that we currently use in the factory is now going to be used to create sustainable products. So currently the problem that exists is that textile waste is a growing crisis. 11 million tons of landfill annually is in the U.S. Textile industry produces about 10% of global carbon emission. Most fabric that is discarded is reusable, and we at CIM, we aim to be able to reuse that fabric. The infrastructure is lacking, but we're wanting to be a part of that infrastructure. Currently, our operations is very sustainable and eco-friendly in the terms of our laser cutter that we use for production. It optimizes the use of fabric, meaning that we use as much fabric as we possibly can in a garment or in a tote bag or in a pillow. However, left over, there are still scraps that are left over that we intend to use to produce a no-waste facility. Here's an example of one of our pillows prototypes that we've come up with. As you can see, it has several different pieces of fabric that is being used, and then the scraps themselves are actually placed inside of the pillow. What's our role in it? Our role is to come up with a great product that we can sell to the end user. And by doing that, we've partnered with Refuge for Nations, which is a nonprofit organization that will actually be handling the production of this particular product. Our goal is by year 2 to produce 3,000 units monthly. That amount of units being produced will reduce 144 tons of CO2. Here's our growth model. By year 1, we have 8,000 tons that we plan to produce to divert from landfills, which will produce 10 workers, all the way to the full scale, which is 100,000 tons annually, and that will produce 56 direct jobs. This is the part that I really want to take a little time, and if I have a little time, to talk about is the market opportunity. Currently, there's a great market for this, $6.9 billion by 2029 is expected by year 2029 that there will be 6.9 billion of people who are eco-friendly conscious who are looking for home goods, pillows, and things of that nature. What we've done is on our end, we have partnered with a Michigan native, actually. His name is Brendan T. Jackson. He's an actor, and he's going to be pushing these products for us and leveraging his connections and his network in order to really push these products out there. So what we broke it down to is 4 phases. Phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. Phase 1 being where we are now, 1 and 2, with prototyping as well as sorting and cleaning and initial production. We're already at phase 1 with our existing facility. Phase 3 and phase 4 encompass expanding production, automation, and collecting and creating the end product. Currently, we're asking for $120,000 to expand this part of CIM, and then for the phase 3 and phase 4, we're wanting to $550,000.